What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. I've just bought myself a new project car and I'm really excited to show you guys what car it is. For a little bit of context behind why I chose this car specifically. So about 2 months ago, before I even bought this car, me and my boy went on a drift experience. Prior to that, I'd not really driven a rear-wheel drive car, let alone drift one. But I soon found out that rear-wheel drive cars are extremely fun and not as intimidating as I thought. So then after that day, I just thought I need to get a rear-wheel drive car. So this car is rear-wheel drive. I'm really excited for you guys to see this. I think you guys are really gonna like this one. But yeah, without further ado, here is my new car. So here it is. This is my new project car. It is a 2006 BMW E46 330 Ci coupe in Sparkling Graphite Metallic. So this car has the M54 3-litre 6-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine, making around 230 brake from factory. Overall, it's quite clean. Apparently the valve cover gasket is quite common on these. Doesn't look like there's any oil leaking from it. I think it has been done in its lifetime once already. We have got slight oil misting from the Vanos line here. The expansion tank is also another common thing on these cars. They tend to crack. However, this one was just replaced. Looks like we've got some misting of power steering fluid coming out from the reservoir. We've also got a crack in the screen wash reservoir. I did fill this up to the brim when I first bought it. Come back out to it the next day and it was like half full. So yeah, we've definitely got a leak there somewhere. I think it's most probably the reservoir itself. Moving on to the alloys, it's got the 18 inches. The previous owner just had these refurbed as well, so they're looking quite clean. So this car at the moment is completely standard, no modifications done to it as far as I know. Moving on to the rear of the vehicle, we've got the LED rear tail lights, which look amazing. So taking a look into the boot, very spacious boot. We've actually got what looks like the full BMW toolkit. I don't know if there's meant to be, looks like there is meant to be something there, but everything else is here. BMW branded tools, which is nice. We've also got the BMW emergency triangle there. If we look in here, got the CD changer, which is pretty cool little gimmick. No spare wheel, unfortunately, but yeah, at least there's no water in there, no signs of any water ingress or anything like that, which is good. All the windows work, which is weird for a BMW at this age. We are actually missing the torch. The BMW torch isn't there. We've also got electric folding seats, which all work as well. On the driver's side, let's go to the driver's side. On the driver's side, you can actually set 3 different seat positions and the car will actually memorize your seat positions, and I think it also includes the wing mirror positions as well, so you can just press the button and it will set those up all to your preference. So since this car is the M Sport trim level, we've also got the M kick plates there and the M on the steering wheel just there. We've also got half Alcantara, half fabric seats. We've got the M Sport leather round steering wheel. Got the wiper stalk here, and for some reason they've put another stalk on the left. Yeah, I'm not really too sure what that does, but anyway, moving on. We've also got the 6-speed manual gearbox, which I think is quite rare on these E46s from what I've been told. Commonly they come with the 5-speed manual, so yeah, that's quite nice to have. No aux, so to play music, just got myself a little FM transmitter for the time being. So the car is currently on 104,113 miles. And we're currently getting 22.5 mpg. Got a little scrape there. Looks like number plate bolts are completely corroded, so definitely have to get new ones of those. A bit of condensation in the right fog light as well. So it's quite common for these cars to rust on the inner arch. This one isn't too bad. We've got a little bit of bubbling just starting there, and a bit of rust just on that inner arch there as well. But yeah, again, for the age and the mileage, I don't think it's too bad. We have a look on the other side, the other arch. Yeah, not really, only very slight bubbling on that bit of the arch there, and we got a bit of bubbling here as well. Definitely have to get that sorted. Also got a little bit of a scrape there as well, and some scrapes on the door handle and here as well. Also, another thing, see there's play in the wheel. Another common thing on these cars is the lower control arm wishbone bushings tend to go, which mine have, because when I drive it, there's just a loud knocking noise coming from the front, so I definitely want to get those done. I'll probably put some uprated ones in there since I'm changing them already. Got a slight knocking from the rear as well, which I'm not too sure what it is. Might be diff bushing. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the car. I haven't really seen one this clean for this price. Yeah, I'm really happy to have bought this at the time I have. I feel like the value's just going to go up on these cars. So future plans for this car, I want to try and make it a clean sort of project. Occasionally take it on some drift days, but yeah, just a bit of fun. I plan to document everything I do to this car, so we'll probably start off with the maintenance and stuff like that, and then move on to like any mods, maybe coilovers, wheels. But yeah, might as well get some sound clips. It's on a completely stock exhaust at the moment, but yeah, cool. Let me start her up. Before you guys start commenting, the engine is warm. It's at operating temperature. Yeah, for a stock exhaust, I think it sounds alright, but I definitely need an exhaust on there just to deepen the tone a bit. I'm really excited to start filming content on this car. I feel like it's going to be a really fun one to document. I know you guys are going to be enjoying this one as well. Stay tuned, we've got lots planned, we've got drift days planned, a few mods and stuff like that. So yeah, I think this is going to be a really good series for the channel, documenting this car, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Other than that, yeah, I don't even know. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the car. What mods do you think I should do to the car? But yeah, other than that, see you lot in the next one. Love.